Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and happy World Card Making Day to you all. I'd like to share a few cards that I've made. Let's get started. So this first one is a thank you card. It's a really colorful thank you card. This is some Griffin paper. I think it's called Madison, maybe. I'm not sure. And I just put a little bling on it that I purchased from Hobby Lobby recently, and I think it turned out really cute, and it says thanks. The next card I made with, it's called Peel and Stick, and it's from the Dollar Tree, and I think it's like a removable wall tile. Yeah, that's what it says. So I don't know, it caught my eye, and I thought it would be cute to make a card, and so I did. So here's the first card, and it says thanks. I know the light is blinding. It's a very blingy card. It says thanks, you're the best. And I used some silver embellishments there, and I thought it turned out really cute. And then the second card that I made from the tile, it says hello. And once again, I used the silver bling at the top here. And it's just super shiny, and I thought simple card, and the tile only cost $1. Next, I used my Cricut card to make a coworker a card. It says happy birthday. He's a avid fisherman, and he likes fishing bass, and so that's a bass fish. So I made this using my Cricut and just some cardstock from Bazelle that I have in my stash, and I think he'll like this a lot. Next is a happy birthday card I made for my little niece, and it's from the Cricut paper by the Cricut paper, and it's the Hello Kitty Cricut paper, and then that's the Julie Nutting doll, and that it is Ivy, and then that's my favorite holiday ribbon from JoAnn's that I got last year, and I thought it turned out kind of cute. I paper pieced the doll together. Those little socks kind of gave me a headache, but I made it work. I think she turned out cute, and she'll like this birthday card. And the next card, super simple. I made a wedding card for my nephew, and I used my Cricut just to cut out the letters. And so when I looked online on how to do monograms for a couple, you put the bride's initial first and then the groom's initial. So when I put this together, I was really unhappy with this extra space here on the side. I don't know. Still debating on what I want to use the card or not. I just should have used letters that were, the D wouldn't be so thick on this side. I could have cut the D, but I didn't think about it when I put it together. So I don't know. I'm still on the fence on this really super simple card, but I like the design. I'm just not sure about the letters. Let me know what you think. And then I made some awesome cards with the Anna Griffin Celestial Card Topper Kit that I purchased off of HSN. It came in this box here, and it has 84 card embellishments. So on one of the cards, I kind of followed the design on the example that they give you for the die set, which is separate, but this is kind of similar to what they had. Now this die right here, this zodiac sign, it's actually like a charm, and it has a little hole for you to put a little string on it and hang it like a little charm, but the string I had, the gold string I had, wouldn't fit. It was too thick, so I cut the little hole off and just adhered it like this. So this was one of my first times, I think, using a kit that provides you everything, and I really enjoyed making this card. Only thing that it didn't have was this piece here, which is just paper from my stash, and I kind of followed what they had done in the example. But I really like this card a lot, and it's for my sister. Her birthday's coming up in a month or so, so I think it turned out great. The next one, I used the embellishments from the kit, but I went rogue and did my own design. So it's very blingy, so sorry about the glare. Let me see if I can turn out some of the lighting. Would that help? Not really, huh? But you can see that it's for a ram. I thought it's so cute. And the kit came with these embellishments, the ribbon, and this one I kind of cut off the edging because it didn't really match this paper. And then this little doily that I have is from an old Martha Stewart. I want to show you. A decoupage kit that I got at Michael's a couple of years back, and I ran across this, and I thought, you know what, I want to use those on a card and see how they look. They're so blingy, and I think it turned out really cute. Like I said, the lighting's kind of bad for this type of card, but I really like this card. I like this card kit. So that's my cards. Put that out the way. Let me know what you think about this card, this wedding card, simple wedding card. And then the birthday card, another birthday card, the hello card, the thank you, you're the best card, the Dollar Tree tile, and then last but not least, the thanks card. So let me know what you think down below. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.